Who's really driving the brand conversation today? The brand? The consumer? Or maybe it's an algorithm? Welcome to Delicate Collisions, where we explore the tensions that define our digital age. Today, we're diving into the crossroads of authority, agency, persuasion, and influence, and what it means for modern marketing. There are two powerful continuums shaping every brand strategy today. Let's break that down. Authority is a top-down brand control with guidelines, campaigns, vision decks, etc. Agency is bottom-up. It's consumer power, user-generated content, product reviews, and maybe even a touch of cancel culture. Persuasion is overt. It has all the hallmarks of buy now, limited time offer, going fast. Influence, however, is subtle. It gives you vibes, social proof, maybe some peer culture. Sounds simple, right? It's not, because when these collide, marketing gets messy. And it also gets fascinating. These collisions create four paradoxes, each one showing how power in marketing isn't about control, it's about managing the space between. Let's walk through them. In paradox 1, where we're looking at authority and persuasion, the more perfect the persuasion, the more I distrust it. Let's be honest. Brands like Meta or Peloton pour millions into targeted ads, control messaging, and we scroll right past them, right? I got ad fatigue. I don't like hyper-targeting. That feels creepy. We know we're being sold to, so we just block, mute, or skip. What's the lesson here? Authority just can't speak for us anymore. Brands have got to shift from campaigns to conversations. Agency and persuasion. This is all about user-generated content. It looks like it's free, maybe freewheeling, but it often performs the brand script. Look at Nike or GoPro. They empower their consumers, sure, but most of the user-generated content still fits a familiar mold. Why? Because the algorithms are boosting on-brand content and avoiding those that are not on-brand. Influencers are following the aesthetic playbooks that are given to them, and validation really depends on brand alignment. Ask yourself, if you're one of these people, are you inviting real co-creation? Or are you just compliant with creativity? If we look at the area of agency and influence, influencers look independent, but behind the scenes, there's an algorithm pulling the strings. Creators here also appear free, but what really drives their content? What they want to know is, what does the algorithm look like? Or more importantly, what does the algorithm reward? And will this keep my sponsors happy? And how do I avoid losing engagement? Influence here is invisible power, but both creators and brands are caught in the loop. Honestly, how can you build a space for experimentation? That's the real question. Or, for safety's sake, are you just optimizing for sameness? Finally, there's the domain of authority and influence. The strongest brand strategies aren't told, they're felt. Apple never tells you to buy an iPhone. They build a world you want to belong to. Spotify doesn't push music. It curates your identity. This is authority through design. User experience flows. You're given visual cues. There's a certain amount of cultural embedding. It's not messaging. It's world building. You want to move me? You want to sell me? Give me structured choice, not scripted persuasion. The future of marketing isn't about choosing authority or agency. It's not persuasion versus influence. It's about understanding the interplay, the confluence, and designing for it with intention. The real power isn't in control. It's about how you shape the system people choose within. I call this a delicate collision, and it's where the best brands are now playing. Check out the grid. Do you agree with me that these brands fall into these quadrants? How would you change it? Comment in the spaces below. I'd love to hear from you. Consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. And why not share this video with a friend? It's the best way to let YouTube know others like you will enjoy this video. Please consider buying us a cup of coffee in the link in the description below. Your support means everything. And as always, thanks for watching.